Hi friends, today I am going to show the place where I am living in the Madrid. It's kind of like a home tour. This is the entrance of the apartment. The apartment name is Apartamento Suites Airporto. This is the entrance and you are seeing the reception as well. This is the vending machine. This is the lift. My flat is in second floor. We are going towards my flat. Welcome to my flat. This is the bedroom. All the furnitures which you see in this video are provided by the apartment. It is like a service oriented apartments. This is the beautiful view from my apartment window. These are bedroom cupboards. This is the hall cum dining room. We have sofa and we have TV, we have teapot. This is the dining table. Now we are entering into the kitchen. This is washroom. This is the gym. It opens from morning 8 a.m. to evening 11 p.m. We have swimming pool here. This pool opens during the summer, that will be like mid of the June to mid of the September.